In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and edit styles in Microsoft Word. Styles are essential for keeping your documents consistent, professional, and easy to format, especially when working on long reports, essays, or structured documents. To begin, open Microsoft Word and create a new document or open an existing one where you want to work with styles. Once your document is ready, go to the Home tab and look for the Styles group. This section contains a gallery of predefined styles such as Normal, Heading 1, Heading 2, and more. Start by applying an existing style to your text. Select a portion of text, then click on any style in the Styles gallery. You'll notice that Word instantly changes the font, size, color, and spacing based on that style. This is useful for quickly formatting headings and body text. If you want to modify a style, right-click on the style you want to change, such as Heading 1, and select Modify. A dialog box will appear where you can adjust formatting options like font type, size, color, alignment, and spacing. Make your desired changes, then click OK. All text using that style will automatically update throughout the document. To create a new style, first format a piece of text exactly how you want it to look. This includes setting the font, size, color, spacing, and any other formatting details. Once your text is formatted, select it, then go to the Styles group and click on the small arrow in the corner to open the Styles pane. In the Styles pane, click New Style. A dialog box will appear where you can name your style and confirm the formatting settings. Give your style a clear and descriptive name, then click OK. Your new style will now appear in the Styles gallery and can be applied to other parts of your document. Using styles not only saves time, but also helps you maintain a consistent look across your document. It also makes it easier to generate tables of contents and navigate through your document using the navigation pane. Take a moment to experiment with different styles and customize them according to your needs. This will greatly improve your workflow and the overall quality of your documents. And that's it. You now know how to create and edit styles in Microsoft Word for a more efficient and professional formatting experience. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.